Get it, Bella. Bella was just diving her face into the water, so that's her first potential water-liking sign. You guys getting tired? Kira, no, no. Don't put that in your mouth. No. Bella. Good girl. You be easy with her. Good girl, Bella. Bella has an 8-year-old that lives in her household. And she's young, so Bella's young, and the 8-year-old's young. Kira, we're not going to run that way. Okay? You got to stay, Bella. So Bella's still having to learn how to behave around human siblings and not jump. She's got long toenails right now. Claws is. Kira, come this way. Kira. Kira. We're not going to go in the grass. You got to stay on the sidewalk right now. Thank you. This is the craziness of our house. Whoa. Kira, stay on the concrete. Stay on the sidewalk. They are all getting tired. Stay on the sidewalk, Kira.
Hi.
Thank you. Hi, doggies. Bella! Good girl. Better.
Hey, good dog.
Kira, stay on the sidewalk, sweetheart. Hi, doggies. Stay on the sidewalk.
Hi, doggy. Hey.
Hey, you telling him?
Hey, don't let me.
You telling him? Kira, stay on the sidewalk.
What? Hey.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, doggies. See, that's why I want you to stay on the sidewalk. So I can keep a better eye on you there. You got grass all over you now. All right. I'm going to stop about here. You want to get it off? Okay, let's go rinse it off.